Hello there. In this video we're going to look at solving for a variable, or isolating a variable, getting it by itself. I'm going to go through these in some detail. I know that my notation is a little bit different than others. In this first problem up here, I want to get x by itself, so the first thing I will do is multiply both sides by w. Boom, got that. Now what is next to the x? We're multiplying by y, so I'm going to divide both sides by y. And voila, we got x by itself. Then I'll just rewrite that in the other order. Boom, x equals zw over y. Next problem over here, we're going to solve, but we're not solving for y this time, we're going to solve for x. So I need to get things away from x, I'm going to subtract 6y from both sides. Okay, I got that. Now I need to divide both sides by 3, the entire side by 3. And this needs to be reduced. And there we go, got x by itself. Okay, next one, y equals a all over 4 root x. I want to get, well, it's in the denominator, so I'm going to get things up to the top. I'm going to multiply. Now we have y and x together, y root x equals a over 4. I want to get x by itself, divide both sides by y. Y goes to the bottom on the other side. Last step is to deal with the square root, so I will square both sides. And I'll shift everything up there. Okay, we got what x equals. That whole side is being squared. I'm going to reduce this though, or I'm going to expand it out, get it without the parentheses. I got to remember to square each term. And that gives us our final form, a squared all over 16, because the 4 got squared too, 16y squared. On to the last side. Start with multiplying. Undoing the 1/3 by multiplying by 3, and now I will divide. I'm going to divide everything, each side, by that y plus z. And so it was that whole side, 3v all over y plus z. Last thing left to do is to get x by itself, so take the square root. And there we go, square root of that whole thing. That's our final answer. So remember, just work through these one piece at a time, undoing what you need to do. Character and scholarship for life.